Let us discuss a problem on coefficient correlation in that if they have given the standard deviations or variance values of the coefficient correlations and how many number of values are there in the correlated coefficients of variables, that is x and y. Here, let us take a problem given n equal to 10, sigma x equal to 5.4, sigma y equal to 6.2, and the sum of the product of deviation from the mean of x and y is 66. Find the correlation coefficient. Here, first what they have given that n equal to 10, sigma x equal to 5.4, sigma y equal to 6.2, and the sum of the product of deviations, that is x minus x bar into y minus y bar, is equal to 66. And to find the coefficient of correlation, that is r of x comma y is equal to how much? We know that the standard deviations sigma x is equal to under root of summation of x minus x bar whole square by n, and sigma y is equal to under root of summation x y minus y bar whole square by n, and coefficient correlation r of x comma y is equal to summation xy by under root of, if we can take capital X, capital Y, coefficient correlation r of x comma y equal to summation x y by under root of summation x square into summation y square. Here x equal to x minus x bar, y equal to y minus y bar, summation of xy is equal to sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Here from this, we can write it as under root of sum of x minus x bar whole square is equal to by n equal to sigma x squaring on both sides, summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to n sigma x square. Here n equal to 10, sigma x square is 5.4 whole square. And under root of sigma y minus y bar whole square by n is equal to sigma y squaring on both sides, summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to n sigma y square. N equal to 10, sigma y is 6.2 whole square. Square this using calculator. 291.6. This one 6.2 whole square into 10. 384.4, and square root of these two, product of x minus summation x minus x bar whole square, summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to under root of 291.6 into 384.4. It is equal to 334.8. And we know that sigma xy, summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to sum of capital X, capital Y is equal to 66 they have given. So these values substitute in the coefficient correlation R of xy is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar by under root of x minus x bar whole square summation into summation y minus y bar whole square. It is equal to 66 by 334.8 is equal to 0.1971 is the answer. The division of, therefore, coefficient of correlation is 0.1971. It is also solved by the other way. Here we know that sigma x equal to 5.4, sigma y is equal to 6.2. Okay. And summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 66. R of x comma y is equal to, we can take the two expectation of x y minus expectation of x into expectation of y, or summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar by n into sigma x sigma y. It is equal to 66 by 10 into 5.4 into 6.2. Do it. It is 66 by 334.8 equal to 0.1971. Correct? Correct. ఇది దీన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్ చేసి తింటే వచ్చిందా?
అంటే చెల్లదిస్తాను పడిద్దాం డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తాను
ఇంటూ 10 చేస్తాను. డేంజర్ దాన్ని